Let's be honest, the hardest part of making a YouTube video isn't editing. It's staring at a blank page wondering, where do I even start? I've been there too, wasting hours trying to come up with a good script. But here's the game changer. You don't need to be a professional writer to create an engaging script anymore. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use ChatGPT to write a killer YouTube script in just a few minutes, even if writing is not your thing. By the end of this video, you'll know how to give ChatGPT the perfect prompt, how to structure your script, and how to make it sound like you. Ready to make your script writing 10x faster and 100x easier? Let's dive in. Step 1. Clarity is everything. Alright, first things first. A great script starts with a great prompt. If your prompt is weak or vague, ChatGPT will give you something generic. It's like asking someone, how do I make biryani? And they say, just mix rice and spices. But when your prompt is specific, ChatGPT turns into your personal script writing assistant. For example, instead of saying, write a YouTube script, say something like, write a 5-minute YouTube script in a friendly and motivational tone for beginner content creators. Include a strong hook, 2 to 3 tips in the body, and a clear call to action. That small change makes a huge difference in the final result. Pro tip: always mention tone, structure, audience, and style in your prompt. This gives ChatGPT a clear roadmap. Step 2. Add your personality. Let's be real. No matter how smart AI is, it doesn't know you. And that's actually a good thing, because your personality is what makes the script engaging. Once you get the draft from ChatGPT, add your own flavor. A short personal story, a funny or relatable moment, a real example from your journey. For example, when I first tried writing scripts, I spent 2 hours starting at my laptop, only to end up with a single paragraph. The moment I started using ChatGPT with a good prompt, boom! I got a full script in minutes. Pro tip: think of ChatGPT as your co-writer, not your replacement. Step 3. Keep it simple and conversational. Here's the secret sauce to an engaging script: clarity and simplicity. You're not writing a college essay. You're talking to real people. So keep your language natural, like you're chatting with a friend over coffee. Avoid fancy jargon or long sentences. If you wouldn't say it out loud to a friend, don't put it in your script. Example: instead of saying, the utilization of AI accelerates the script writing process, say, AI helps you write scripts way faster. Pro tip: after ChatGPT writes your script, read it out loud once. If something sounds robotic, tweak it to sound more like you. Conclusion. So, let's quickly recap. Step 1. Be super clear with your prompt. Tell ChatGPT the tone, structure, and length. Step 2. Add your personal touch. Make it sound like you. Step 3. Keep it simple and conversational. Talk like a human, not a textbook. If you follow these 3 steps, you'll never stare at a blank page again. And the best part? You'll spend less time writing and more time creating. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical content tips, and let me know in the comments, what kind of video script do you want ChatGPT to write for you next? Thanks for watching. Now go create your next awesome video with the power of ChatGPT.